Hi. So every so often, someone from TMT, or market team they're called, will email asking for some new list codes to be set up. This is like an email that she'll ask me for. So to create a list code, go to Salesforce, go into the app launcher, search for list codes here. And it's very simple. It's really just like two fields, create, new. And I'm going to go back to the email. List code name, I'm just going to copy it, 758. That goes there, and 758 goes there. I'm going to create, actually I'll save this, and then send her the new ID, the new record ID for this one. Let me reply. I'm just going to paste it here, and then I'll do the next one. 759, go into Salesforce. I think I have to go back into list code. Create new, 759, and the description. I'm going to paste it, save it, and then grab the record ID. And just continue that for the other two.